What's going on, crew? Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Pokemon Unite. So this is for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I'm poor, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited gems and unlimited coins. So let me just do that right here and let's see if they go up. So as you can see, this is what I have currently. It's not really that great, but let's see if it goes up, guys. So hopefully we do see an increase. And let's see what happens. So, yeah, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of Pokemon Unite for iOS and Android so you too can get rich. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly to download it. So first things first, go to the website tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. And now just go to the search bar, type in Pokemon Unite. And once it comes up, guys, go ahead and press install. And before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just need to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free from official App Store. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load. And then we should have the Pokemon Unite hack on our device. So this is super cool, guys. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up. As you can see, so yeah, it's super cool, guys. It actually works, bro. So it's loading right now. So let's see what happens. All right. So it's going to bring us to that last step where we just need to download 2 apps. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So you just want to pick 2 of them. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got Family Island where you got to reach level 11. And then there's Lucky Match where you have to reach level 11. So just do 2 of them, guys. Then you'll have Pokemon Unite hack for your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys. This is super wild, bro.